Thank you all for your interest in learning about the BLOCS program. BLOCS will allow you to turn your tax dollars into directed scholarships for Pennsylvania schools of your choice. BLOCS is a Pennsylvania-approved scholarship organization dedicated to supporting schools through the tax credit program. For more than 40 years, BLOCS has been committed to providing eligible families access to schools and education pathways that meet their needs. The tax credit program allows individuals and companies to make contributions to schools and receive up to a 90% tax credit on their Pennsylvania state taxes. If you wish to take advantage of this tax credit program, you can become a member of a BLOCS Scholarship LLC with a 2-year commitment to fund the LLC. In some instances, if you have a one-time liquidity event, BLOCS will match you with another donor. This will make it possible for you to hit your 2-year commitment with different amounts paid each year. When donating to the BLOCS program, you control where your money goes. Here's an example. Suppose you earn $300,000 in income and make a $10,000 contribution to BLOCS. You can donate the entire contribution to one school or divide the contribution up amongst the set of schools, like in the example provided. Not sure if BLOCS is right for you? Let's show you why it could be. Let's see what a contribution of $10,000 to the BLOCS program would charge you out of pocket. The contributor receives a tax credit from the state of Pennsylvania equal to 90% of their contribution. So for our contribution of $10,000, the contributor would receive a tax credit of $9,000. This leaves $1,000 that have not been covered by Pennsylvania state tax credits. Net federal tax reductions cover 37% of this, in this case being $370. So only $630 of the initial $10,000 are left to be paid out of pocket. This means that only 6.3% of the contribution ends up being paid out of pocket. The other 93.7% of the contribution is covered by Pennsylvania state tax credits and federal tax reductions. BLOCS lets you choose where your taxes go. So here's how to get involved. The timeline begins when you join a BLOCS Scholarship LLC by signing a BLOCS agreement. Then you'll make your contribution to the Special Purpose Entity LLC. Following that, BLOCS will send you a K-1 form to include in your tax returns, which documents your participation in the program. Lastly, you'll receive a 90% tax credit for your contribution and will get to reduce the remaining outstanding payment by 37%. The following information should be reviewed by your tax prep team prior to making a contribution to BLOCS. Help us build a brighter future one child at a time. Contact us today to learn more.